Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to continue our work with reading silent letters. Our objective for today is I can read 3 out of 4 words with silent letters. You are welcome to grab a buddy if you'd like to have a buddy do the lesson with you. First, we're going to look at changing some phonemes. We'll say the word and then say the new word. Okay, say note. Now we're going to change the n to a b. What's the new word? Boat. The next one, shake. Change the sh to a m. What's your new word? Make. Say gave. Change the g to s. What's your new word? Save. And your last one, let me move this down. Say grace. Change the ending s sound to a p. What's your new word? Good, grape. Okay, we are going to go ahead and review our possessives. Remember, when you see apostrophe s, that is a singular possessive noun, one person, place, thing. If you see the apostrophe after the s, that is a plural possessive, meaning there are more than one. Let's go ahead and read our words. Ready? Dolls, gates, farms, roads, birds, years, woman's, child's, states, stars, rooms, friends. Nice job. Okay, your fluency practice. Ready? Let's move this up a little. As soon as possible. Again, as soon as possible. Next one. Please come here. Again, please come here. Next one. But she said. Again, but she said. Last one, watch your step. Again, watch your step. Okay, your fluency passage looks like this. Okay, we're going to work on reading a story with some R-controlled words. Remember, R-controlled words are words with ER, IR, UR, OR, and AR. Okay, let's see if we notice any. Okay, you'll notice the very first word has an IR. Remember that ER, IR, and UR all make the same sound, Let's go ahead and read the passage together. Kirsty and her mom are going to make cupcakes for her birthday. Kirsty first puts on an old shirt and skirt in case she gets dirty. Second, Kirsty puts everything in the bowl and stirs the batter. Third, she helps Mom frost the cupcakes. Hey, you're welcome to go ahead and stop that video. Go ahead and reread it on your own. Okay, the next thing is this is the review of our silent letters. When you see a KN, the K is silent. All you hear is the N, like in the word knob. W is silent when followed by an R, like in the word right. You just hear the sound. G is silent when followed by N, like in the word gnat. You will also notice the GN coming at the end of a word at times. Okay, my turn. Right away, I see that I only have one vowel with no consonants after it. That tells me the vowel should be a long sound. The U should say U. That means it's an open syllable. Remember that sign for our open syllables? This word is new. Remember, when we have a GN, you do not hear the G, just the N. This word is new. Your turn. You'll notice there's just one vowel followed by consonants. That's a closed syllable word. That O should say ah. Remember, when you have a short vowel word with a k at the end, it's going to be that CK pattern. I also noticed the KN. Remember, the K is silent. You just hear the N. Let's read this word. Knock. Next one. Okay, here I see one vowel followed by consonants. That vowel should be a short sound eh. I also see a pattern consonant LE. In this consonant LE syllable type, the E is a silent E. It does not make any sound. I also see we have a WR. Don't forget that W is silent. You just hear the This word, let's read it. Wrestle. Please do not wrestle on the floor with your sister. Wrestle. Your next word, this word has an EI vowel team. EI can make different sounds. In this word, it's making an A sound. Don't forget when you see GN, that G is silent. All you hear is the N. Let's read this word, reign. It's when somebody is in charge of something, like a king is reigning over the community. It's like showing power. Your next word, this we could actually use. A great thing would be chunky monkey, because I see a few words. This word looks like the word know, like I know the answer. This looks like ledge, like the edge of something, or the window ledge. So if I try to read this word, knowledge, chunky monkey, knowledge, knowledge, what you know. Okay, your turn to try these on your own. Let's see if you can get 3 out of 4 correct. Look at the first one, read it. Good, hopefully you said Nash. Next word, read it. Nice, this word is wrath. Okay, your next word, new. That's 3, last word. Read it. Ring. Like when you are trying to squeeze the water out of something and you twist it, we can say you are wringing out the towel to make it more dry. Ring. Okay, if you got all 4 correct, read your objective check. I can read 4 out of 4 words with silent letters. Nice job today.